The clip colorizer is really useful for like type editors like me. It helps me visualize my timeline really well to have everything labeled and colored appropriately. For example, I prefer my main footage to be colored one way, my sound effects to be colored one way, my images and everything to be colored one way. And it may not always be the default set by, Premiere Pro. Right? And oftentimes, let's say images and adjustment layers have the same color, and it's just really annoying. You don't know what is what oftentimes when you're in a very big project. So this is really useful for having everything visually organized, right? Here you'll see that I've chosen, like, let's say for video clips, I've chosen blue, images mango, and dialogue yellow, and every single thing has its separate color. Now you can choose what you prefer yourself. This is what my preference is, so feel free to change it out however you like, right? And another thing is that if your video and audio layers are linked, they are going to be the same color, even though you have the dialogue, right? Because you haven't unlinked them, they're going to be the same color as the video, right? Before you colorize the timeline, just make sure to go to this setting option and choose show source clip name and label. So now that I've set up everything exactly how I prefer it, I'm just going to press colorize timeline, and it just colorized everything according to exactly how I want it. And you can set this up however you prefer it to. Yeah, test it out and see how it works.